Hey guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you've been here before. So I have taken a little break. I still might be in the middle of my break, I'm not really sure, but I wanted to discuss something. I'm considering just switching my content a little bit to more like fashion content. Which is why I'm here in front of my closet, because I want your guys' help. Especially since like doing lash extensions, I have started to not particularly want to do like fun makeup and stuff. Like as you guys can see today, I just have like really basic makeup on, and like I've really been enjoying that on a day-to-day basis, just like normal, basic, everyday makeup. So like haven't had a lot of makeup content to make because I haven't really been doing a lot of makeup stuff. But I've been loving clothes. Okay, I've loved clothes my whole life. But today I'm wearing a fully like thrifted little fit. I actually got both of these things on Poshmark from the same person at different times. I love her clothes. So yeah, I'm thinking about switching up. I'm thinking about making fashion content. I know I'm not the most fashionable person, but I feel like I have a really like fun style, as you guys can see by like my rainbow closet, and I have a ton of thrifted stuff. I kind of want to like more base it around thrifted things. In the last couple of years, I've gotten way more into thrifting again. Like obviously I've thrifted my whole life, but like now I feel like I actually know what I'm looking for. I know how to find the good stuff, and I've been having a lot of luck at thrift stores of finding really cute stuff. I want some help figuring out like what kind of content to make. I have a whole rainbow closet here. I'd really like some ideas. Like we prefer like going thrifting together. I don't really film in public, but I could give it my best shot. Thrift hauls. That's probably not gonna happen too often, but maybe I can make that like a monthly thing. I could budget that in to do like a little thrift haul. Do we want more closet declutter? Because there is definitely still more stuff as I continue collecting and thrifting and finding more unique pieces and more pieces that really fit my style better. I find, you know, that I go back to other stuff that I have, and I've been getting rid of it. I've been trying to sell some stuff online, just try to like kind of get rid of it on Poshmark. So that's where I'm at. That's where I'm at right now. I'm also trying to decide on like a film setup. Like, do I just keep filming in my regular setup, but like clothing stuff? Or do I want to like try to figure out how to set this up where this is kind of like my little film setup? I don't know. Ideas would be great. If you're watching this and you feel like you have some ideas, or you like definitely want to see more like fashion content from me, I was thinking about just trying to do short content. Short content is like the main thing right now, but I obviously still want to do that too. I've been creating content for 6 years, and I don't really want to stop completely. I don't want to stop doing that, but I'm just not super passionate about the makeup content I've been putting out. And I thought maybe if I started doing outfit stuff, fashion stuff, like maybe I'd be a little bit more like, I don't know. Because, you know, I feel like watching someone do something that they're not passionate about is not fun. I'd rather be passionate about something and like share something with you guys that I'm passionate about. So also I'm filming this on my phone. I am going to get mics like this for my camera, hopefully. So I don't have to film everything on my phone. Although my phone probably has a better camera than the camera that I have. We'll see. Maybe I'll just keep filming things on my phone. Who knows? I'm going to try to keep this one pretty short because I just wanted to like get an idea of what you guys think I should do. If anyone's even interested in seeing fashion content from me, because I will say, though I feel like I've really like found my sense of fashion, and I feel a lot more confident in the clothes that I wear, and I feel a lot more like comfortable going out in the clothes that I like. I have like, I think the biggest videos I've gotten hate on have been like my outfits. People like really hate my outfits, and I know that they are allowed to have their opinions, but oh my, I never thought an outfit could enrage someone so much. So yeah, should I even start doing outfit content? I don't know. but I want to try. I really want to try. I've been following more like fashion bloggers and stuff like that, and clothes has always been a happy place for me, and it's just getting happier. I mean, my closet is like a dopamine hit. Like when I open it, it's literally like a dopamine hit, and hopefully you guys feel that way when you see my closet. Because like having it like organized in a rainbow, I mean, I guess technically that is kind of what I'm doing. I'm like dopamine dressing or whatever that's called. Like I'm just dressing to like make myself happy. I'm wearing like bright colors and fun patterns and like fun earrings and stuff like that. Stuff that makes me feel really happy. Obviously I still have black and gray and stuff like that, but I don't like wear as much of it, and I don't like wearing it as much. I'm not gonna stop wearing black because black is like a necessity, but still, I'm not even gonna lie. Filming this video right now, I'm like ready to go like edit it. Like I'm already feeling really good about this video. Hopefully you guys don't mind just listening to me yap about clothes and my life. I feel good about this, hopefully. Yeah. So anyway, that's all. That's all for me. I hope to see you guys again soon. Please let me know if you're interested in seeing fashion content. I would love to hear your opinions, and like if you have ideas of what I could do. I also want to do like my favorite thrift finds and like, you know, show you guys stuff that I have found thrifting that I wear a lot or that I just love or that I think was such an amazing find. I know it's difficult because you can't like go buy the clothes that you see people thrift. That does suck, but I still love to watch people thrift. Like I love it. Even if I know that I am probably never gonna find those things myself, which that's kind of what Poshmark's for. I mean, you can go online and like look and try to find things. And something I really love doing is like when I find a brand that I think looks really, like if I thrift a certain brand, I'm like, this brand has really cute clothes. I search that brand on Poshmark and then I look and see like what other clothes are out there. And a lot of times I find really good stuff. So anyway, let me know down below if you're interested in seeing fashion content. I would love to know. Yeah, I think that's all for me today. Thank you guys so much for watching this video and for listening to me yap for a very long time. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel while you're here. I would greatly appreciate that. And if you're interested in knowing, I've been at my new job for 2 months. I'm absolutely loving it. The people are amazing. They're some of the nicest people I've ever met. The company cares. Maybe that's just part of being like a part of corporate. I don't know. But the company like cares about me, and that means a lot to me. So though I'm not really looking for this to be my job, it would be nice if this hobby made me like a little bit of extra cash, you know? It would be nice. Yeah, I love my new job. It's awesome. The people are great. The job is really fun. And I feel like I'm doing pretty well at it. I'm feeling pretty good about myself. So yeah. Can you see the worm? The worm. Bye guys.